Are they different? They're cute. The alpaca open house at Home Again Farms in Theresa, New York. Look at them all. This is going to be fun. Oh, look at the baby. Hi, guys. Where's the one they were leading around?
I don't know.
I got a little pattern, and I did some yarn over it. It sounded similar to what you did. It looks kind of island-y all throughout. I don't know why I didn't think to bring it, because I was going to bring it and let it hang around my neck while I was spinning, and then I just went out the door without it. But I have a friend who has the most beautiful alpaca shawl, and I love it. And so I've got a pattern. She did. Here they come with their bags.
I got some baby goats.
That way Indy won't run right back inside. While the little ones are there, so they can pet her.
Oh my God. I thought I heard meowing.
Feel free to take them out. They are looking for a home.
We just got a new kitten.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good picture. It needs a playmate then. You can't just have one.
Well, we have two. And it took the big one, so I'm getting used to the little one.
I should have said you can't have just two then, huh?
Keep your head still.
Oh my gosh. Kittens, alpacas, and goats.
Oh my.